Oh, look at this. It's all water spotted up. Fortunately, we have Cybertruck wax on it. It's microcrystalline. Now watch what happens. All you need is a wipe rag, one of these, with some of the product on. Look at that. There it is. Yeah, it's gone. Cybertruck wax for stainless steel. Look at that. Bunch of dust on it. Well, let's see what it does with a tack rag with Cybertruck wax. Picked it all up. One wipe backwards. No longer need to wax your car, wash it. Use car washes, which will beat the heck out of every finish, but Cybertruck wax. Stay out of car washes, save yourself a lot of money. Available on eBay. Cybertruck wax.